didn't hear what you said then, sorry.
Yeah. A bit further behind us, so I kind of stopped.
Just looking at that sheep over there.
I'm not going to stop till we get to the top because that's where we said to stop.
Yeah.
Which is just a bit 50 yards away. So. And Dave can probably wedge it in a rut or something.
Yeah.
It's really long with it. There you go.
I'll just pull up to the gate, so this is...
Well, yeah, we're at the
Yeah, this is about as level as you're going to get, isn't it?
Yeah, so I'll let him, if I pull up, he can park there.
Well, I guess if it comes to it, you can probably pull up right behind you and just sit on your bumper.
Looking at the hill down there and just seeing like all these little white blobs of shit.
Yep. Dave stopped.
Oh.
Who stopped?
Well, I'm just going to let him stop if we catch him. He didn't bother telling us, I ain't going to bother stopping. Because we've been moving, what, a minute?
Yeah. Maybe he's just letting the van get ahead of it, so he's got a bit of a
yeah,
clear
but every
run.
time we get to a gate, he's going to have to wait for us to shut the gate behind him, so...
Yeah.
Well, look, there's not many gates up here.
There's not many, there are a few. I think the memorial's just here.
The actual bomber thing.
Yeah.
Keep going!
So keep going.
Yeah, he's just trying to get a run up, I reckon.
So why did an American bomber crash into the hills of it?
Basically, I think they were just lost and they couldn't see where they're going. It was foggy and all just...
Yeah.
So that's why this place is called Bomber Lane.
Yeah. remember Dave saying, "Oh, poor guys." And, it was a Lancaster bomb. I said, "No, it was an American." It's a little bit where I try not to look right too much. It's not vertical, but it's enough and it's far enough.
It's fairly steep, yeah.
There is a lovely view of Barmouth. If I wasn't driving up here, I'd be fine.
Yeah, and you're almost not stopping until you get to the sea.
Yeah. Well, you are. It's just that you can't see.
There'll definitely be some walls in the way. But...
Well, where myself and Nick were last time, further down, it's like this but worse.
Yeah.
And even though it's not so high up, it's not good. I don't know. It's only a little tilt, but it's enough to upset me.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't matter. Full 10 feet, full 50 feet.
Yeah. Just doing it the opposite direction.
So far, it's not really gone for long.
I know, but it's different, but it's keeping the sun off my head.
Yeah.
It means I'm not being blinded from above as well. Look. Is that a bit of a car?
Yeah, it seems like a bit of a bumper.
It's so simple.
Yeah, looks like.
What about poor old Raven?
If you don't stop, I'm behind you now.
Yeah, but it's your handbrake that's gone, not your brakes, isn't it?
But it still takes a little bit of control. But Simon behind, so if I do turn away and I miss it, I'll just roll into it.
You must be overjoyed at that prospect. I can see the logic in it.
I was really impressed, but he's gone with it anyway.
Yeah, that was the one where my the return hadn't got on my ignition, wasn't it? So I was turning it on and it wasn't turning off the starter motor. All we had to do was just pull the key back a few degrees.
Well, you know, for future, don't you?
So much water around here, considering how dry it's been.
It's all draining off the hills.
Yeah. I mean, it's all kind of heat and stuff, and it's just one great big
Sponge.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Then you consider how damp it gets overnight.
And I'm still not sure whether we just had very heavy dew condensation or we had a light shower in the night.
I don't know. I did wake up and my tent was pretty moist.
We won't know about that.
No, the outside, not the inside. I mean, before, last night when I went into before I even got into it, the outside was all wet.
Yeah.
Which I'm assuming is just moisture from the river.
Did you guys stay up long after I went?
No, massively.
We basically stayed to
It goes down that valley or we're going to the left. Apparently the road to the right, which goes down that valley, which myself and Nick did the other week here, and it was quite boggy and very uneven and a bit gnarly where we did it.
Yeah.
Apparently it's got really bad now.
Like undrivable bad or?
Not undrivable, but people going, being your hand will take precaution.
Yeah.
And there's like lots of really deep ruts and very rocky. I know when me and Nick did it, it was like a few places it was like, this is interesting. And there's a photograph, and I'm assuming it's of this, where at one point it's like a semi-tarmac road like this.
Yeah.
And there's basically it's washed out about a foot deep on one side, and it looks like proper dome like that.
Yeah.
Even if it's only for 20 feet, that's enough to stop us. And it was beautiful, but
Where does it come out?
you end up twiddling all the way down to there's one bit of tarmac comes out from Nick Top, and it looked like you were driving this bit of tarmac and it was just going to go off the edge of the cliff. And at one point I think we actually went into low box to go down the hill. It was steep. Tarmac, but steep.
I don't know if he urged it, just speaking to Nick, and at the moment he's at Heathrow Airport picking up someone for his event.
Oh, picking somebody up.
Yeah.
Wouldn't fancy driving through London to get to Heathrow. Oh, it's a nightmare to get to Heathrow anyway.
I think I'd rather drive on this any day.
Well, yeah, because this is fun and that's kind of
Boring.
Yeah.
work, yeah.
That's actual shitty driving.
Well, he's working at Commonwealth Games doing the fencing stuff.